So I received this front lip from one of my buddies. He had this laying around in the garage. It is a 15 through 17 front lip, but we're gonna attempt to install this on the 18 bumper. You think this job can be done, sir?
Yeah.
He attempted to wrap it in carbon, but he failed. As you can see, all the bubbles. So he just gave up and bought a brand new one. Step 1. Peel off the vinyl.
Try to.
That's why I brought the heat gun. To make things easier. I don't know how long this thing has been sitting in the garage.
Very long.
Bingo. Okay, now that we got the stupid vinyl off, as you can see, it's peeling like every bit of it, so you have no choice but to paint it. So I bought some 220 grit and Rust-Oleum black paint and primer spray paint.
Anthony, turn around.
Huh?
Turn around.
Why?
Turn around.
Does this take out my butt? What? Oh shit. I meant to do that. Alright, so we're gonna stand this and then we'll see you guys in a bit.
Yo, what's up, guys? Long time no see. Little update. I have a part coming in for the Mercedes-Benz, so please stay tuned. Might see me install it, might not, but we'll see. And you guys will check it out.
We just sanded the front lid. Not the best job, but you know, I don't think this is gonna be a permanent front lid on the car.
Have you ever painted something like that before?
I use Plasti Dip.
Oh yeah,
Like Plasti Dip
it's the same. It's the same.
If you look at the surface, it's a little rough, but you know what? Fuck 'em.
It's a front lip.
As long as it's black, it's good. I'm gonna go grab cardboard and the paint. Got the cardboard laid out, got the front lid on top. Hi, would you like to do the honors? Painting.
No, not really.
First coat. Wow, okay.
You first,
I'll do
sir.
the first coat. So I just finished putting 3 coats on the front lip. Not too bad. It looks pretty good from a distance, but if you go this close, you can see all that texture from the previous paint. Well, it's whatever's. Vape God. Show them clouds. Oh shit. You sure you don't own a Subi? Vaping over there. That's good, huh? This is the finished results. Boom. Looks pretty clean. Not bad for $3.99.
Not bad at all.
Not bad. Let me show you some close-ups. So we decided to flare this out a little because the fitment wasn't too great. That's why this side is kind of hard to see, but it's flared out as well. Overall, pretty happy. The paint job could have been a little better, but you know what? It's not too hard to redo it again. Stay tuned, guys, because Clyde just ordered something and it's on the way for the Mercedes right there. He needs to show it some love, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.